Hey guys, I'm Matthew.
And I'm Graydon.
And today we are making fudgesicles. You guys, this first step is that you take your milk chocolate chips, see them right here, and you put them into your measuring thingy until you get 2 ounces. So first we do this. Don't go too fast, don't go over. Well, a little bit over won't hurt any. There you go, got 2 ounces. Put in your microwavable bowl, and put it in the microwave for 50 seconds.
Hey guys, we're back from the microwave. The next step is 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Vanilla yogurt. Don't want to use that one. That should be enough. Just dump it in. There we go. Next, you are going to need 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And last, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of milk. Then stir the mixture. Stir it well. Next, leave your mixture to cool.
Welcome back, guys. Here we are going to take our little mixture here and put them in these molds. So let's go and do that. Oops. Whee! Whoop. I shouldn't have to fill in that full. So you still gotta stick the thing in. Okay. Now
It's just wasted perfectly good batter stuff.
and then if you have to, just like get all the stuff off the sides. And direct it where you need it. Start pouring once again. So what we done here should give you at least 3 fudgesicles.
If you make 2 batches.
Yeah. And so yeah, that's our how-to video on how to make fudgesicles.
Thank you for watching.